So the name of the wig that I got is called Gabriela. It's from Janet Collection, and I'm gonna put the link to the actual wig that I purchased. This was only a $15 wig, and I think I paid like $18 with shipping. This is what the hair looks like after I've done it. Oh, look at my pockets. I'm so thick. Pockets bulking. Anyways, so basically this is what the hair looks like. It's super pretty. I love it. Like I said, this is a $15 wig, you guys. It's super pretty. So I'm gonna dive right into the video. I'm sorry that I was talking the whole video, so it has to be a voiceover. I was in a real deep important conversation, so the video has to be a voiceover. I'm sorry about that. The parting space is absolutely amazing. What I did was plucked my part a very little bit, and then I added some concealer, and then I swooped some of my real hair. I left my edges out, and I swooped some of my real hair in the front. It's Florida, so the humidity is crazy, so that's not even laid like how it was in the video. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be showing you guys this Gabriela wig. This is a Janet Collection wig. I want to say if you stretch this hair out, it can probably get to about 24 inches or so. It's super soft. The curl pattern is super pretty. It's like this big body wave. It's like the pin curl body wave. It is so gorgeous. The hair is really soft. This hair was only $15. I'm just showing you guys the parting space. I'm showing you guys the construction of the wig. It has 2 combs in the front, and there's no combs on the side, and there is also 1 comb in the back, but I never used the comb in the back only because it kind of thins out your hair in the back. Anywhere you put the combs is going to thin out your hair, but I'm just showing you guys this parting space. It's super deep. But just starting off, I'm going to take some of my concealer and just dab it down the part. And it's hard to do this in front of the camera, so I just did it like, you know what I mean. So I also put that concealer on the inside of that lace part as well. And what I'm doing now is just plucking some of the hair from the part just to make the part a little bit more wide to make it look more natural. So I just pulled some of my hair out around the perimeter, my edges, I guess you would say. And in order for these combs to fit, you have to pull this wig all the way to the front of your head so that it can have something to grab onto. Or you can just do some perimeter braids, but I didn't do that. It's easier for me to do it this way. I just did 2 French braids. So, like I said, I'm just trying to adjust this wig. You just want to make it fit your head. I'm not gonna lie, this wig was super big. So, basically what I did was, what I'm doing is just pulling out some of that baby hair so I can just disguise the front of the wig a little bit. And I'm also, like I said, I'm just pulling out my edges. So this is the part that I'm going to swoop in the front. And I'm sorry that this part is a little bit hard to see. My mirror was directly in front of me and my camera was kind of off to the side. So like I said, the wig was super big, so I gather it all in the back. I flip my head upside down, and I literally take that and I put my ponytail scrunchie around it just to keep it tight. And I know that's a little bit ghetto, but that's what I do, y'all. And you can't tell because this hair is really big already, but you can't do that with straight hair. Just letting you guys know. So I'm swooping that in the front just to disguise the wig and just to make it look more natural. Sorry, y'all, I was in a deep conversation. So I'm taking some more of that. I'm actually using my face powder, my ColourPop face powder, and I'm just putting this in the crease. Wow, this is not a makeup tutorial. I'm putting that in the parting space. And a powder is a little bit more natural than a concealer, so I prefer a powder. So like I said, I'm just, you know, prettying it up a little bit more. And I love to put my hair behind my ears, so I'm just preparing for that right now. I'm using a combination of edge control and Eco Styler gel. So So I always leave my edges or my perimeter out because it makes the wig look a lot more natural. So that's what you guys see me doing here. Now just pull it behind my ear, just like that. Now it's been a couple days since I've worn this hair, and yes, it does get nappy, yes, it does tangle. I have not experienced any shedding or anything like that, but I'm just taking this leave-in conditioner right now and just spraying the hair with that, just so I can kind of weigh the curl down just a little bit, just to get it a little wet. And that's to help basically tame the frizziness, I guess, but we'll see if it actually works or not. But basically, this is the gist of how I'm gonna wear the hair. I'm finishing off the other side with the gel and the edge control. And I also secure, since it doesn't have any side combs, which is actually really good for your hair, to not have, for the wig to not have those side combs, I'm just securing it with bobby pins. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.